Hi guys, here we've got Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. First of all, you need to open some area where you can input text, so it can be, for example, new message, and click on Start Chat to see the keyboard. So this is our current keyboard language. To change it, to apply a new one, click on Settings icon, select Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and choose whatever you want. Actually, this has the same letters. Let's pick some more. Maybe Arabic. So let me pick Arabic, then tap on Done, and now let's go back. Now, by tapping on this Earth icon, you can switch between languages. Obviously, you can leave one language only, and then this option will not be accessible. So here you can remove unwanted language. Then let's go back, and no matter which language you would pick, as you can see, this icon disappeared. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.